Today I'm going to show you how to set you up with your brand new Flintt account. Now we're starting off on this home page here where you can check out our blogs and learn a little bit more about Flintt. But to get us moving in the right direction, you can either click try it now or you can click this member login section. It's going to take you to this screen here. Now I'm going to assume that you have not as yet registered or signed up with your new Flintt account. So we're going to start off with this button here, sign up with Flintt. Once you're here, you simply enter your details. Anna Osharov. I'm going to put in our support@Flintt email address and get us set up with your email and password. Make sure you click agree and click on sign up. This is going to take you to this screen here, and what that means is that Flintt has now sent you an email to verify your email address. So head over to your emails, make sure that you verify your email address, and it will get you moving in the right direction.